humans. Hello. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a 3x3 Rubik's cubes, 2D Rubik's cube on this game called Loopover. If you don't know what it is, Loopover is a game. It is like a game made from so it's a 2D Rubik's cube game made from the creators of one of my favorite shows ever. It's called Battle for Dream Island. And yeah, so let me just press scramble. So yeah, this is what Loopover is. So you can scramble things. And I'm going to teach you how to do the 3x3 Rubik's. So, okay. So first you start off with the A, and then the B, and then the C. Pretty simple. And then you see this D. So you put the D here below the A, the B the E under the B, and you see this F. You would think that we could just do this, but you could just put it up. But yeah, the C goes down. So what you need to do is just lower the C. Put the F right here, and then boom, and that's how you do a 3x3. Let me teach you. Let me go over it again. So A, B, C, and then lower the A. Put this here. Lower the B. So yeah, what you need to do is just push the E one side over there, and then down to the B one here, and then you push it up, and then the F, so C, F, boom, and that's how you do it. I am going to put the link in the description for this game for anyone who wants to play it. And yeah, before I end the video, I'm just going to do a scramble first and see how fast I can go. Go up. Boom. 11 seconds, and I'm gonna do it again because I want to. Boom. Ooh, this is bad. Oh wait, I need to do this, and then this. Boom, 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 boom. That wasn't as good as last time, but hey, it's still a good run. So I'm going to put the mobile version and the computer version if you're using a PC watching this or something. And yeah, that is the end of the video. So bye.